See two cases of suspects fleeing for literally no reason.
Hey, ma'am, can you get back in the vehicle, please? I'm pulling you over. Please get back in the vehicle.
She's coming home.
I understand that, but she was a passenger in this vehicle at the time of the stop. Your registration's suspended.
My registration?
It is, so please get back in the vehicle. Leave in a second. Just because I stopped you at the time, she was in the car, so it's...
Registration, insurance.
Guys, I've asked you twice. Please get back in the vehicle. Please get back in the vehicle. I've asked you almost 3 times now. Please get back in the car. I told you you were in the car at the time to stop, so please get back in the car. Close the door. Get back, close the door.
Why not the close?
Close the door. I'm not doing this with you. Close the
Why
door.
are you being like that? What is wrong with you?
Ma'am,
Just because you have a gun in the face.
it's nothing.
Don't mean a coward.
I've asked you nicely several times.
And I'm trying to tell you I'm asking you nicely too. I'm in my vehicle, okay?
Please
I don't
close
have
the door. I understand that. And I'll let her get out of the car momentarily. But for now, you need to stay in the car with this
What
door
is all
closed.
of this about? There's a guy that's in plain clothes. What is he?
Yeah, you're making this very difficult. Just I am not. I'm asking you nicely to please close this door. You can talk to me through the window. Close the door. Close.
Don't touch my door, please.
Close the door.
How are you? What are you?
Stop.
Don't be that.
Stop.
Don't be that.
Close the door.
Don't be that cop.
Registration suspended for the lack of insurance. You canceled the policy back in March.
Look at that.
Ma'am, that's what's coming up on the information. So you need to contact your insurance company. You cannot drive this vehicle. In the state of New Jersey, you have a suspended registration. I cannot allow you to drive this vehicle. I understand you live close. If you have anything you need to gather, you can walk home, but this vehicle's being towed.
You're going to tow my vehicle.
I am.
I just showed you proof of insurance.
It's not valid. It's not a valid policy.
It is valid. How is it not valid?
It's what's coming up on my end. That it's canceled.
You can't just let me put my car in front of my house. You're going to tow my car.
Hurt somebody? It comes back on me.
I'm just telling you that I'm going to park it off the street right here. It's 1 block.
Please keep the door closed and stay in the vehicle.
Oh, she's coming off.
Received this one. My vehicle's now pulled up on the 200 North block. Vehicle's parked. Ma'am, get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Why?
Get out of the car. You are under arrest for fleeing a motor vehicle stop. Come on. Come on.
You're going to arrest me?
You are under arrest. Put that out and get out of the car.
Why would you arrest me? I asked you nicely.
Ma'am, you are not allowed to flee a motor vehicle stop. Put that out and get out of the car now. Get out of the car now.
What is wrong with you?
Ma'am, you just fled a motor vehicle stop.
I didn't flee. I
Get out of the
told you
car.
I was coming
Get out of the car.
here.
Turn the vehicle
One
off.
second. Relax. Okay. Don't touch my key. It's my key.
Get out of the car now.
My key. I gotta roll my window up.
No, you do not. Get out.
What if somebody robs my car? Are you gonna be responsible?
Get out of the car now.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car now. All right, throw that out.
I can't believe you're gonna arrest me for what?
Don't worry about the car.
Relax. I'm gonna relax.
Just turn
I
yourself.
did not. I asked you nicely. There's 6 of you for what? Jesus Christ! Can you watch where I'm walking?
Going right in here.
Get back to the car, man.
Where does he not have the right to go in my car?
Stop.
You do not allow. Don't go in my car.
Man, come back.
You know, can you make sure they don't go in my car? They don't have the right to go in my car.
How much does a bail cost?
There's no bail. She's just gonna have it summoned.
You're gonna have it towed?
Yes. I wasn't going to at first. Kept getting out of the car. I didn't want.
I'm in a lot of pain.
I understand. I'm sorry, but she didn't have to. I did not want any of this. So she'll be back in an hour.
This suspect, despite fleeing the scene, was charged with operating an uninsured motor vehicle and obstruction. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Okay. Excuse me, sir. Wake up. You okay?
The suspect now wakes up.
This isn't your car, dude.
It's not my car.
You need to hop out. Come on.
Okay. It's passenger. Can you turn it off?
Come on. It's off. This isn't your car.
It's not my car.
No.
23, we're 10-4.
What's going on? Hey, wait. Come here.
I'm not running away.
You need to
Ma'am,
stay here.
you can have the full.
Walk over by our cars.
Ma'am.
Don't grab me. Knock it back over
Here.
This is not your car.
Go
Stop.
back over here. This isn't your car. You don't have
Okay.
Walk over here.
Over
You have
here.
weapons on you?
No, I don't. Authority off.
Walk over here. Walk over here. Now, see how you're walking away from me.
Over here.
Officer.
Lean up against the car.
Yeah. AIDAM.
All right.
I have no criminal record.
Okay. Why?
Keep your hands on the car.
Okay.
Why are you in this car?
This is my girlfriend's dad's car.
This Honda?
No, the Mazda.
Yeah, you were in the Honda.
No, I was in the Mazda.
We just saw you in this minivan.
Aiden's girlfriend, who lives in the nearby apartment building, now attempts to jump in the conversation.
Let us figure this out. Can you? But you were in somebody else's vehicle. Why were you in somebody else's
I
vehicle?
did never drive in that car. I was only driving in the Mazda.
Yeah, we know that. Where were you coming from?
My home.
Your house?
Yeah.
The people you're talking to, were they the initial callers?
Yeah.
You mind hanging out with them
Yeah.
for a bit?
Car. Face the car. You keep your hands on the car. You're not going to walk away. Do you hear me?
Yes, I did.
So stop.
My father called it.
Keep your hands on the car. You're not listening.
Okay.
That's the problem.
You see, my hands are clean.
No.
My pockets
Quit
are
going.
clean.
Just your hands on the car. Do not go in your pockets.
Do you see my hands are clean?
No.
My pockets
Keep
are
them
clean.
on the car.
No.
Do not run quick.
23 foot pursuit.
Do not.
I don't want to get killed.
You're gonna be.
I'm scared.
Relax. Over. Onto your stomach.
Roll over. Do not. Stop moving right now.
You're gonna get hurt. Stop moving. Stay on the ground, relax. Come on, let me scoot my leg over. Dude, spike's over.
Grab his feet.
I got his legs.
Stop.
You're ruining my life.
Stop it.
Yeah, you know what? Put him down. Bring him. Get a third shot up. You're not going arm right. It's over. Come on. Got his leg. See up.
No.
You alright?
No, I'm not alright. You know what? My life is over. You know what you guys realize? I'm a dumb teenager, and I made some dumb mistakes, and you guys are thinking you're such smart pricks, because you made smart. Y'all joined the cops. Y'all made some dumb choices. You know what? You guys. Dude, it is the end of the world. You know what you think it is? You're so smart ass. Come on. You, dude.
Let's get up.
Oh, God. Oh, thank you.
Let's go. Stop. Stop kicking.
But thanks, Mom. Thanks, Mom. Mom! Thanks, Mom!
Alright.
That's what you
I'll
did!
get in on you.
You helped me so much! Yeah, fuck you! I don't give a f***. Kill yourself!
Up a little bit more.
You! You think of this shit? You want your fucking promotion! You just want your fucking benefits! Fuck yourself! Kill yourself, bro! You're fucking a whole nigga, bro! All you want is your fucking benefits! Yeah, break my arm! Yeah, break my arm! Yeah, break my arm! Fuck you, you fucking piece of shit! You fucking whole piece of shit! Break my arm!
Hey, dude.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
How do you think
You
I'm
need to see an ambulance at all?
you?
Is that a no? What are you trying to do? Take your cuffs off?
Hey, can somebody help me take my cuffs off? Getting no protection by the police here. Yo, they're abusing me. I want my fucking protection, okay? I want a right to a lawyer. I would like to get my fucking rights defended. Hello? I would like a lawyer to see me.
Yeah, when we get to the station.
Can you guys Hello? Officers, can you please strip search me? I don't have anything on me. I would like you to search me. The fuck did I do? Seriously.
Officers found sleeping in the car he struck. He was charged with battery, driving under the influence of alcohol, and 2 counts of obstructing. After pleading guilty, he was ordered to pay $1,956.50 in restitution, serve 10 days in jail, participate in 100 hours of community service, and was placed on 18 months of probation.